Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex. Whoops. What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here. Follow me on Instagram. And today I've got another. Oh my gosh, I should redo this video. Today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here. I'm excited to get into this because it's another one of those where it's probably somebody responding to a knife that I was looking for, or offered up something for review, and I have forgotten exactly what's coming in, and that's always exciting. So we'll find out as soon as we're in here. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other benefits, there is of course a link right down in the description. The support would mean the world to me. And follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's go ahead and just kind of muscle our way into this package with this sort of half circle wedge. It is made of metal. It does come to what resembles a peak or an apex of some sort, the base definition of that word. What do we have here? Do we have a... We don't have a... No... Oh, wait. Is this the prototype? Hold on. Just get in here. I am devoted to this opening. 100%. We've got some reinforcement here. That's all right. We'll get into it. I think this is the prototype that was sent. So the title of there will be a if I can provide a link on where to find this. It will be down in the description. But there was a gentleman on Instagram who contacted me and said, "Hey, would you want to take a look at this?" And I looked at it and I thought, that is interesting. I would like to sample that, definitely. So the name of this will be in the... Oh, here we go. Alien Knives by Davo. AlienKnives.com and at DavoWorks on Instagram. This is the DX2 prototype, S35VN, hand ground. Steel, that's cool. Black G10. It was born on August 5th of 2020. So this is the DX2. Nice and crispy. Nice and smooth. Boy, that is really... So here's the thing, guys. I get contacted to take a look at stuff a lot. Prototypes, this or that. And it's always kind of a... it's like... I mean, I can't say that I honestly do want to look at everything. I have to be choosy. I have to bring you guys stuff that I really do want to look at, really do want to talk about, because otherwise I can't bring this excitement that you guys come to my channel for. That's real. It has to stay real. I can't force it or fake it, or it's not fun for me and it's not fun for you guys. So I looked at this and I thought, that does look interesting. He gave me some of the specs and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna take a chance on this. I'm hoping it's gonna be quality, and yeah, this is definitely quality, man. So this is big. It is robust, but it's not overly thick. I mean, the blade stock thickness is not crazy, and boy, yeah, that gets nice and thin down at the edge. And look at that tumbling. So this is that tumbling I always talk about, or that style of tumbling. I'm not saying that it's just like something that you see on a bunch of other knives, but essentially fine grain structure in the tumbling, but slight reflectivity underneath. That is very appealing to me. The heavy scratches and stuff do it for some people, not for me. I like the reflectivity that I get from a satin blade, but it's a little bit too reflective, and oftentimes the corners on the spine don't get knocked down as much. So with a tumbling like this, I get to enjoy that reflectivity, have some of those light grains that kind of, in my opinion, look better than an all satin finished, and then you get that nicely knocked down up there. Nice bead blasted titanium right here, and then we've got a liner and some peel ply texture G10. There's not anything insane going on the design element, but in terms of like the materials and things like that, but the blade is nice and tall. This is a big long blade, and man, the ergonomic lines right off the bat are very good. Very, very good. If you wear an XL glove like me, this will fit perfectly in your hands. Nice simple pocket clip with that rise that I like to see. There's a lot of good here. First impressions, a lot of good. Man, I'm happy that I'm happy that I took a chance on this. That's cool. This is really, really interesting. Again, I'll give you guys a look at this card so you can go and check that out for yourself. This is pretty neat. This is a prototype right now, but hopefully this comes to fruition. And in any case, I will still do an overview. You guys, a lot of you know my stance on prototypes. I do kind of overviews and I talk about my thoughts. But because it is a prototype and prototypes are subject to small changes, I don't do a traditional review. We just talk about it. We talk about what I think is good and bad and etc. So anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, if you're excited about it, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that metal complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.